Take everything we got, give it an honest shot, turning it on and off, we've been sliding, riding the highest dream, keeping the fire real. I call for you. Hold your gun, cut the wire, aim for fun, with a light to fire. I've been flying up the ceiling, taken by this feeling. Maybe we're invisible at last, fueling every engine, power is descending. Maybe we're invisible. I've been flying off the ceiling, and maybe we're invisible.
Good morning.
What is the ooh for? Because it's bright lights?
Yes, it was bright light in my eyeballs.
Oh my god.
Yeah. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good, it's travel day.
I know, so cool.
It's early in the morning, it's 7:30.
I feel like I got so much to do still.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna go to work,
Uh-huh.
and then we're gonna go do travel day.
And then we're gonna go out of here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello!
Hello.
We're back from work,
And we're
and
going.
we're in the car, and we got the kid.
Hi, kid.
Say hi, kid. Hi.
The
We're
kid
going to
said
the
hi.
airport. Kid said hi,
Kid said hi.
and I said
go
hi,
this way.
and you said hi,
And I gotta go this way.
and I'm Kelly.
Hi, Kelly. Bob.
And who are you?
Huh?
Who are you?
I'm Kaya.
That's Kaya.
Kaya.
Let's go!
Cows.
Cows. Hi, cows.
We're in the airport. Mass time. Oh, we're going to do our A-gate thing. Right, Kaya?
What? Yeah, that
We're gonna do our A-gate thing. Where we just go across the bridge and listen to the pretty music. Hello.
We're sitting at the airport.
Yep.
Our gate is extremely quiet.
I know. It's kind of weird.
Yeah, it's like everybody's asleep or something.
Guess what I'm doing?
Bob's watching us.
I'm watching my travel day on a travel day.
Cheeky.
Very cheeky.
Cheeky. I
Mm-hmm.
think that's our plane. Maybe?
Yep. I believe so.
Maybe?
It is.
I had wondered if our flight was going to be delayed because there's some weathery in Denver and in Orlando, but I think we're going to like swoop in on that like perfect window.
Yep. Of course we are.
So we stopped at Einstein Brothers and got something to eat for
So
the
we
plane.
can eat it on the plane.
Yes, because it'll be late when we get in, like 11.
11:30.
Yep, that's our plane.
Yep. Cooler planes here.
Yeah. So we'll probably see you when we get on the plane. See, we're on the plane. What is this? Big wave Dave happening. How are you doing? You good? How are you doing?
Oh, I'm fabulous. I'm on the plane.
Okay, cool. Hello. How was your flight?
Good.
The flight part wasn't long. the sitting on the plane that was long.
Yeah.
But we're here. And the lights are flashing, flashing, flashing. It's actually, what is it, just after midnight.
Yeah, it should have been here. Inside here half an hour ago.
Yeah. But it's funny because there's actually people in the airport
I know.
right now.
We just got off flying back to Vegas.
Is it really?
Yes.
What, are they gonna get into Vegas at like 3 o'clock in the morning?
Well, in Vegas time.
Wow. That's nuts. Your fancy. We have a Toyota Highlander, by the way. It's big. Bob hates it because it's big, but Kaya has a groovy. Oh. Look, it's a sunshade.
It's a sunshade.
That's so cool.
What was that?
She just dropped it. Look, and you can like hook it.
Yeah.
You hook it.
Kind of.
Oh. Oh.
I did it earlier.
Look, you hook it.
The shade. How cute is
Isn't that cool? I've never seen anything like that before.
Yeah, and then I can control the air conditioning from the front into the back.
Look,
Show them your full charger.
fancy.
By the way, did you get your phone out of that?
And then it's a big. It's got 3 rows of seats.
It's got 3 rows.
3 rows, but the luggage is in the 3rd row. I like it because it sits up high.
It also has a charger.
Yeah, look, it's got. This is a phone charger. You like lay your phone in right there and you press this button and then it charges your phone, but you can't have your phone case on there.
I was thinking about that.
And it's got lots of cup holders too. Cup holders there, cup holders there. It's got a big old massive screen. I think it's cool.
I like
Do
it.
you think it's cool? Okay, we're going
I need
in.
to go to bed.
We're going inside. The parking lot's very empty too.
They didn't park very straight.
No, but there's nobody here, so it doesn't matter if you park janky or not. Janky parking. See, look, it's empty. That's because nobody's here but DVC people. Is that the bridge?
Yes.
Oh, that's 0102. We got 60 to go. Let's see how far we have to go. All the way to the end. That wouldn't be a surprise. I want this one. The fancy double door one. The Royal Cuba Suite. I want that one. That's 10. Okay, we got a ways to go. That way?
Yeah.
Guy's going that way. Beware of the roundabout.
Long enough.
We're home. Here we are. TV's on. This looks pretty big. Like, there's lots of space.
Well, it's a studio.
I know, but I don't remember the one at Kidani being this spacious.
We have a Savannah today.
We have a big balcony too.
I thought we were supposed to have standard.
I don't remember.
There's a cow right there.
Hi, cow. You can't see because it's dark. There's the quick. There we go. Look, it's pretty spacious. Like, look at all the floor space. So this is a studio, Savannah view. That's the savannah out there. What are we, 55.69?
54.
It's 54.69. Jambo House. So that's a pretty big pull-out couch. Looks like a queen size bed. There's the TV, plugs, drawers. There's a wardrobe, extra pillows. There's your safe. There's the thermostat.
Thermostat?
Thermostat.
The thermostat.
Here's the little kitchen area. Fridge. There's a big mirror right there. Plenty of floor space. 2 sinks. And I don't know if I were a light switch, where would I be? Right here. There we go. 2 sinks. And this is the shower area. Like right here. Very groovy. So, stuff on the wall. I like it. It seems, I seriously think it seems bigger than the Kidani Village side. No?
It's nighttime. It's like
It's morning time.
It's morning time. It is 2:31 in the morning.
2:31.
So I'm a little bit delusional, and we're gonna say bye for now. So if you liked the video, believe it or not, there's a subscribe button. You should click it if you haven't already. And there's also
Everyone knows.
and there's also a bell to hit the notifications.
Yeah.
Ding 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 ding. And there's a big forehead in the way.
We need to put this one to bed.
Good night.
Okay.
Creepy Bob's about to come out, so that's when you know you need to leave. So good night, sleep tight, don't let the bed bugs bite.
Thanks
See
for
you
watching.
next vlog.
Love you, bye.
Love you, bye. Say love you, bye, Creepy
Love you,
Bob.
bye. Love you, bye.